with me I have a special guest, Mitch Becker. Mitch is the technical instructor for Abra Auto Body and Glass. He's also an instructor for iCar, and he's a contributor to Body Shop Business. Now, Mitch, talk to me a little bit about the concerns today of R&Ing glass or replacing glass.
In the collision industry, we have a lot of windshields being R&I'd for roof replacement or even for the collision damage that's happening. And in that windshield R&I or that windshield replacement, they're doing it on vehicles equipped with the automated driving systems we call ADAS. In many of those windshield situations, there is a recalibration that is required after that windshield. And that is different than scanning a car from a pre-scan to a post-scan. A recalibration is actually they're taking that windshield and they're calibrating the camera through the new windshield, which is now the focal lens of that camera. If there's any imperfections in that glass or anything that can distort that camera, that can prevent a vehicle from recalibrating correctly. So making sure that the recalibration is done is paramount to the operation of the system, but making sure that that recalibration is done is really paramount to make sure you don't have liability to the systems in the vehicle.
And does OE versus aftermarket glass come into play there?
It does greatly if you are not recalibrating yourself. If you're using an aftermarket system or an outside service that comes in and actually does your recalibrations for you, they may be able to recalibrate through aftermarket windshields. In the OEM environment, dealership environment, they are stating in their position statements are that they will only recalibrate if the dealer glass is used. One of the factors that they want to make sure is that the variable that they would have would be the difference between the quality of the glass. And in the dealership's eyes, if there is a failure of recalibration, what is the one thing that kind of made the biggest difference in that car? Well, it would be the windshield replacement, the different glass. So to keep that from being a variable through the process of elimination, if it fails to recalibrate, they start with a dealer glass right there. So many dealerships actually won't perform unless there is a dealer windshield in that car.
Wow. Well, that's great information, Mitch. Thank you so much. And if you want more information on glass repair or replacement, read Body Shop Business and check out Mitch Becker's articles. This is Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.